Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're at 676 Washington Street, Unit 1, Coventry, Rhode Island. It's a first floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Starting our video tour right when you walk in. You got the upstairs there. It's a bedroom. Let's make our way up there real quick. Very unique layout up here. Brand new carpeting. You can put a bed there. You got a deep closet in there. Or you can put a bedroom set over here as well. To the left of the entrance, you get the full bathroom. Brand new vanity, new flooring, a shower tub. Very spacious living room area here. Big windows for plenty of natural light. You got your kitchen here. Butcherblock countertops, double sink. Plenty of cabinet space. You got new electric stove here. More cabinet, countertop space. Oversized refrigerator. Another bedroom here, could fit a queen set. I'd like to apply for 676 Washington Street, Unit 1 in Coventry. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.